And this is the third little DIY project that I did. For most of you that have campers, you know this is not what the camper comes with. This was a cabinet door that was very bulky, and I wanted somewhere to put a mirror. So I said, I wonder if I can turn the cabin door into the mirror. And what do you know? This is a $7 Walmart mirror, and I have this handles as well. Got a lock thingy from I believe Walmart or Home Depot, but you can get this anywhere. So I just got the gold to match, and then I added a handle to it. And this is not necessary, but you can if you want to. So what I did also, of course, but it's not necessary. So this is, let me close this so you're able to see. This is the mirror, a mirror cabinet door that we can use as a mirror, and we can use as a door as well. Over here in the bedroom, you will see I did that as well over here. And with this one, I did not install a wooden thing inside, and it's perfectly fine. So you really don't have to. And this helps to reduce the weight, just the overall weight, because I'm trying to make sure that I don't have too much weight. So that is a third cheap DIY that I did. I haven't complete. The fourth one will be a lot of wallpaper. So all of this is wallpaper, right, on the cabinets, and you can tell that it's wallpaper. You can tell it's not perfect, but it works for me for right now, until I can learn how to be a better painter, because I tried painting and it just was not my cup of tea. And I'm testing out this wallpaper right here that I got as well from Temu. And so far, it's been here for a couple of weeks, and so far it's good. So I'm gonna order more and cover the rest of that in wallpaper, because I tried painting, and as you can see, painting is just not I just couldn't figure out how do I get rid of it's just too time consuming. So I did try to paint, and then I just ended up going ahead and continuing the rest of the cabin. So this is painted, and you can see how poor of a job I did. I'll take care of that later on. So I went ahead and just did wallpaper for the cabinets, and then got this from Temu, little handles from Temu. Temu has been amazing, has been pretty much what I used. So don't slip on Temu. All of this has been from Temu, the wallpaper and the little gold rails. And then from Temu, I got more like tufted wallpaper. So this is so easy to just stick on. It comes adhesive already. It's already got the glue on the back of it. So all I was doing was just peel and stick pretty much. So is this as well. This is from Temu as well. Another tip on which this I like a lot more better than that, because that is already peeling a little bit, which is why I had to kind of put some staple on it, but it works. So underneath the kitchen, you will see the wallpaper that was added, which I added also to the slide side as well. And yeah, still working, still figuring new ways. This is still those wall sticky thingies from Temu, and as you can see, I use that as well under my headboard, as my headboard, and just still learning how to do DIY projects. I got the flooring, excuse the dirt, a lot of renovation going on, but I got this floor as well from Temu. This gray one is from Temu, but as you can see, it wasn't enough. So lo and behold, I went to Family Dollar, and I was able to see this for $10 as well, a pack, which I don't love the color, but temporarily it works. I'm gonna eventually change all of that, but at least I wanted to use cheaper options to be able to learn how to fix stuff, right? And then before we upgrade, so this is the top of the tote that I use. Gotta figure out what else I'm gonna use. I feel like I'm gonna put this in one of the storage and use it, and maybe add some wheels to it or something, and use it as something. So yeah, even here in my daughter's bunk bed, you can see I use the Temu wallpaper right here on their bed, and I use the peel and stick tufted wallpaper, and it just gave it a little girl's unique style. So I'm gonna see how much more I can. I'm not a great tutorial person, but I wanted to at least share those tips so that if there's anybody out there, they can kind of learn a little something that you can do it.